All right, it's Friday, May 31st, just following up on Coinbase. You can see now it's working lower on bar number 4 to those pre-market lows. So there's your first real target and inflection point. After yesterday's red shooter bar, we stayed below the midpoint of the prior day, opened up and started lower. So you kind of anticipated taking out these areas. We're moving nicely through that right now. I scaled out some more of the options. I bought the 235 puts at 861. I scaled out at 960, a point higher to $7 trade. Just sold some more at 11. And you can see here they're asking, let me get it, if I can pull it up. Yeah, the options now asking 1180. So really moving up nicely from here, over 3 points higher from the initial purchase on the puts on Coinbase. It's breaking down pretty strongly here, and we'll just see now where it finishes up the day. What you have here developing is a 2-up failure bar on the weekly chart, which that's why as you come to the end of the week, you kind of judge what how intraday action is going to relate to the daily and weekly charts. And if we can end up with a shooter bar here, then you can kind of project lower into next week a little bit. So good trade on Coinbase, still heading lower here. Again, they're buying the puts here on bar number 3, given this opening price action as I described in the opening video, and now following through nicely lower. So we'll see where it ends up by the end of the day. Hopefully, one push down now below this area. Pause, some kind of second push down on the day in terms of daily structure. So moving lower on Coinbase, and again, going to see how that weekly chart ends up here on the weekly chart, if it could be a shooter bar, which would project lower into next week.